What's up, guys? Welcome back to The Educated Barfly. Today we're going to be making the 1970s sensation, the Harvey Wallbanger. The Harvey Wallbanger, nobody really actually knows where the Harvey Wallbanger came from. I'm actually having a hard time saying Harvey Wallbanger today. Not a lot of people know exactly where it came from. There is a story that was put forth that it was created in 1952 by Donato Duke Antone, which was a bartender at the Black Watch Bar in Los Angeles, and it was purportedly named after a surfer that frequented his bar. Robert Simonson, the brilliant spirits writer, has kind of cast doubt on that story, saying that Donato actually lived in Connecticut around the time that it was supposedly created this cocktail, and then also there is no actual record for a Black Watch bar being in Los Angeles, so it might just be a whole bunch of horseshit. Either way, this was a very popular drink in the 1970s, and my ice is melting everywhere. I've done a little deeper dive, so look in the show notes for a little bit more history, and let's get into it. So the first thing we are going to do, my friends, is 1/4 of an ounce of Galliano in this awesome bottle that is going to be like kind of hard to pour from. Like, look how big this is. It's like the Dirk Diggler of spirits bottles, of liqueur bottles. There we go, 1/4 of an ounce. We're just going to add it to a glass. We're going to do 2 ounces of vodka. All right. Then we're going to add our rock of ice that is very well tempered at this point. I'm going to actually lower it in because it's very slippery and I don't want to spill. And then we're going to add 2 4 ounces of orange juice. We're using Cara orange juice, and then we're just going to give it a nice little stir. Now, I'm using a very big rocks glass here. You guys should definitely tailor your ice for the amount of volume your rocks glass has, because this is a very big volume cocktail. And as you can see, I am at the brim with it at the moment. Now, I don't have to stir too much because A, it's sitting on a rock, and B, it is already diluting and tempered. So there we have it, my friends, the Harvey Wallbanger. Let's taste it. Yeah, that is not terrible. Now, if you guys don't know, Galliano is sort of like a vanilla and anise kind of flavored liqueur. It has sort of like an anise vibe to it. I want to taste the Galliano on its own because, you know, I can sort of see what it's happening, and I'm going to drink out of my jigger, and you guys are not going to care. So hold on. Yeah. Sweet vanilla anise. That's exactly what it is, and it's very anise forward. And now I kind of messed up my palate a little bit, but yeah, that anise plays so well into the orange juice. We're using Cara orange juice. The vodka gives it its booze, and there you have it, my friends, the Harvey Wallbanger. Now, somebody said that I would never do this drink on this channel, and I said, why not? So here it is, the Harvey Wallbanger. Go drink it. Have fun. Live long. Prosper. And I'm just going to drink the rest of this, and I'll see you guys next time. So if you like our channel, please hit like and subscribe, and check out our Patreon if you want to see all the awesome content we be dropping there. Patreon.com/theeducatedbarfly. I will see you guys next time.